In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a leaking tap. First, you need to switch off your water supply from the main. Then you're going to remove the tap handle. Here, I'm using an adjustable wrench and a plumbing tools, which you'll see later. As you can see here, I am having a difficulty removing the tap handle, but eventually I will get it open. And with these plumbing tools, you'll be able to unscrew the tap spindle. Finally, I managed to loosen the tap spindle, and now we can get to the tap valve. Look at that. You can see the rubber splitting apart from the tap valve. This is the reason for my dripping tap. Now you will need to get an plier to remove any rubber and ensure the area is clean from debris. Now I recommend you replace this ring as well, which you can pick up at your local hardware store. Just look at the difference between the new tap valve and the old. I recommend you get a soft turn tap valve, a decent quality from your local hardware store. Now attach the tap valve to the tap spindle and screw it in by hand, and then tighten with the tools. Now pop the tap handle back. Make sure the tap is in an off position. Now you can turn the water supply back on at the main. Then come back and test your work by turning on the tap. No more dripping taps. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.